Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. How are you today? Okay, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, now we learn English chapter 4 about procedure text. Okay, do you know what is the procedure text? Yes, so procedure text is a text that explains a sequence of action or step to do or make something. Jadi, teks prosedur adalah teks yang berisikan perintah atau langkah-langkah dalam mengerjakan sesuatu atau membuat sesuatu. Next, the function of procedure text. The function or purpose of procedure text is to tell or describe how to do or to make something through sequence of steps. So, fungsi atau tujuan teks prosedur adalah memberitahu atau mendeskripsikan bagaimana membuat atau melakukan sesuatu melalui urutan langkah-langkah. There are three generic structure of procedure text. First, goal. Goal is written as title of the text. Jadi, goal ini biasanya ditulis sebagai judul teks. And the second, materials. Material is ingredients or tools needed in the process. Material adalah bahan atau alat yang dibutuhkan dalam proses tersebut. Next, steps. It is content of the step to make something in the goal. Jadi, step ini berisi tentang langkah-langkah untuk membuat sesuatu. Jadi, itu adalah generic structure dari procedure text. Next, language feature of procedure text. Bahasa yang digunakan untuk membuat prosedur teks itu biasanya menggunakan imperative sentence commands atau kalimat perintah. Kalimat perintah seperti put the sugar, mix the eggs and sugar, turn on the blender. Artinya mix the egg and sugar artinya campur telur dan gula. Turn on the blender, nyalakan blender tersebut. Nah, itu termasuk kalimat perintah. Yang kedua, menggunakan conjunction atau kata penghubung. Kata penghubung seperti first, second, then, next, before, and after that. Nah, jadi itu adalah kata penghubung. Next, yang ketiga, ada using action verb, menggunakan kata kerja action. Nah, seperti kata kerja action seperti cut, stir, turn on. Potong, mengaduk, dan nyalakan. Itu termasuk kata kerja. Yang keempat, menggunakan simple present tense. Nah, jadi prosedur teks itu menggunakan present tense atau sesuatu yang akan dilakukan pada saat itu. Next, finally, using adverb for clarify the text that will paste. Nah, terakhir itu menggunakan adverb atau kata keterangan untuk memperjelas tahapan yang akan dilalui, seperti correctly, carefully, slowly, and for 2 minutes. Nah, jadi itu adalah contoh bahasa yang akan digunakan untuk membuat prosedur teks. Selanjutnya, ada kind of procedure text atau jenis-jenis prosedur teks. Yang pertama, prosedur teks yang memaparkan cara mengoperasikan atau menggunakan sesuatu. Contohnya, how to operate computer. Bagaimana cara mengoperasikan komputer? Atau how to use camera. Bagaimana cara menggunakan kamera. Nah, yang kedua, prosedur teks yang memberikan instruksi dalam melakukan kegiatan tertentu. Contohnya, how to play a guitar. Bagaimana cara memainkan gitar. Or how to make fried rice. Bagaimana cara membuat nasi goreng. Next, yang ketiga ada prosedur teks yang berkaitan dengan kiat-kiat menjalani hidup. Contohnya, how to be successful in life. Bagaimana cara hidup sukses. Yang kedua ada how to make yourself happy. Bagaimana cara membuat diri kita agar selalu bahagia. Nah, jadi itu adalah jenis-jenis dari teks prosedur.
Hey there, this is Chef Robert from Kitchen Gadgets Wars, and today I'm going to show you how to use one of these things, a rice cooker. We have several excellent models on our website, but we have had people coming back and asking us how these things work, what are the benefits of using them. Well, we happen to love them because they make our life in the kitchen much easier, and also because they always cook the rice to perfection and allow you to focus on preparing the main dish. The rice cooker we are going to feature today is one of our top 10 picks. As you can see, it looks pretty much like a regular pot, except for the on-off switch on the side. Okay, getting right down to it, all you have to do is take off the top part, and using the measuring cup that comes with the rice cooker, you have to measure 1 cup of rice, pour it in, then add 2 more cups of water. Now, the only secret to cooking rice in a rice cooker is that you have to make sure that the rice is thoroughly washed. Even if you mix the rice with the water, you should still be able to see the grains through the water. It should not become cloudy at all. Once that is done, all you have to do is put on the lid, press down the button, and wait for 50 minutes. After about 15-20 minutes, the button will pop up on itself, and then the best thing you can do is just leave the rice in for another 10 minutes. But if you're in a hurry, you can always take off the lid straight away, and using the spatula that came in with the rice, just give it a good mix. And there you are, perfectly cooked rice. The rice will stay warm for as long as you keep the rice cooker plugged in. This red button shows you that the rice cooker is still generating heat. So all you have to do is pop the lid back on, and this rice will be good to eat even 5-6 hours from now. If you need more details about what the best rice cooker for your family could be, make sure to check out our website, Kitchen Gadgets Wars. Link is in the description, and have fun!